you're considering graduate school, a master's in accounting from the Anderson School of Management could be the best next step in your career. This program is designed for people who want to level up your business knowledge with specialized accounting skills that make an impact. You'll work through real-world projects and cases, gaining practical experience alongside a diverse group of working professionals. Everything you learn prepares you for the CPA exam, and our curriculum is built to support your success as you work towards licensure. When it comes to career outcomes, we're proud of what our grads achieve. From local employers to national firms, our students land jobs across New Mexico and in markets like Dallas, Denver, and San Francisco. You'll have the chance to connect with employers in class, through events, and through professional organizations like Beta Alpha Psi and Mafia. And now, with a fully online advanced track option launching in 2026, you have even more flexibility. Choose the program that best suits your needs. No matter your experience level, this program empowers you to achieve your goals.